YSL clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long.
All right, so I just went to the beauty supply store and I got a $20 Marc Jacobs bag. So you can take it out of the bag. This is the tote bag. When I get home, I'll do a more in-depth review. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Cherry Bomb Heat, and today we'll be, I guess, looking at reviewing this Marc Jacobs bag I got from the beauty supply store. So I can include some clips from a different beauty supply store.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep.
But I guess I didn't take many pictures of the one I was at originally. I took a picture of two bags that was at the first one. It was a Telfar and it was a Marc Jacobs bag.
Tell me what I'm waiting for. No more sorrow, but we need each other. No more sorrow, but we need each other. So I'm waiting for.
So here's the bag. It's in orange. Sorry, that's just my receipt. It's in orange. It says the tote bag, Marc Jacobs. I don't know, it looks like there's a little weird gap in between the B and the S. But I don't know if the regular bag like that, I'll have to look at the pictures and see. I do think that looking at this one, the words do still look a little funny with the spacing. But also, I think that it looks less of a like a white color and more of a like a weird tan, orangey, peachy color. And my bag don't have that, so there's that. It's a difference. Not the pictures. I have to go look at the pictures online of the real one and see. The tag says Marc Jacobs. It was $19.99. With tax and everything, it was like $21 and a couple of cents, so that wasn't too bad. That's how the bag looks up here. And it has a little zipper. And unzip it. Has some stuffing inside, I guess. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. That's pretty cool. It has a Telfar dust bag. I guess they use the bags the stuff came in to stuff it with. That's kind of funny. I guess I'll put it in there. Oh, it has two dust bags. I don't know. I guess maybe they just made a mistake. I'm gonna choose to believe. I guess this is supposed to be the dust bag for the Marc Jacobs one. It's just plain. But yeah, that other one said Telfar. I was considering getting the Telfar one, but then I don't know, none of the colors in there was really speaking to me, you know? Comparing the bags, my bag is black on the inside and the other bag isn't when I look at it online. Also, when I look at the strap online, it's black and the zipper is black too. And so I think that since mine is silver, the zipper part, it didn't really like, you know, look like it flew, and I think that's why I didn't prefer the black strap. It comes with the strap. I did look it up online. Excuse me, they do have different Marc Jacobs bags, and one of the orange ones did come with a black strap in the stock photo that I seen online. So I will include that on the screen. I can't particularly say that I would like wearing this black strap on this bag. Oh, also, the difference between the Marc Jacobs bags that I've seen before and this is that, I don't know why it looks shiny like that on the picture. It's definitely less shiny in person. But this little latch thing isn't really on, you know, the outside is on the inside of the bag. But this little thing and the rest of the bag is pretty much accurate. Here's the inside of the bag. There's nothing on that side, but oh, I guess there's a loose thread at the bottom of the bag. And on this side, there's just little two pockets. Now, I ain't never been in nobody's purse, so I don't know what that's like. But I'd say for $19, this is pretty cool. And if you don't wear the straps on the outside, I don't think anybody would notice And even if you did, I mean, who cares if, you know, they see that it's not on the inside instead of outside. Thumbnail. Thanks for watching. I might do another one from the beauty supply store whenever I get paid. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. I'm testing out this instead of just going to Dhgate or Aliexpress.
You're the only one by my side. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know what's up, but we need each other. Know what's up, but we need each other. Back and forth. I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard. Only thing in my pocket is my passport. Back and forth. I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard.
YSL clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long.